Hi, good morning. So, I want to talk today about detoxification kasi maraming mga doctor out there who do not believe in detoxification. They think it's a scam. Well, your body has its own detoxification process and we know that. And the biggest detoxification organ is the liver and also the gut, the skin, and your lungs as well. So this have all a detox mechanism kasi kapag ka maraming we inhale, we ingest a lot of toxins in our life and our body has to remove that. Okay? Now, I think they're also upset, the other doctors or whatever it is, they are upset because bakit daw kailangan pa daw uminom ng certain types of herbs, okay, for detoxification. Now, these herbs like dandelion, turmeric, garlic, ginger, they have been proven to support detoxification functions of these organs. And those are in science. Nakalagay yan sa literature. You go to PubMed, we know that dandelion helps with the function of the liver. So, for anyone who thinks that detox is a scam, detoxification is a scam, I think they should do their own research.